Hi, in this lecture we are going to configure Bootstrap in our computer. So I have opened this google.com and search for get Bootstrap. You can see the first link, getbootstrap.com. It's the official link to download the Bootstrap. You have to click on it. Now this will be the main page of Bootstrap. You can see this download button, so click on this download button. Now here you can see many options to get the Bootstrap. You can download the complete Bootstrap, or you can also use this CDN. But as we are going to work on our computer, and it's possible that we might run out of internet sometimes, so I won't recommend this Bootstrap CDN. You can download the Bootstrap from the first tab right here. Click on it. And now just start the download and specify the path where you want to save it. So here is this Bootstrap compressed file that I just downloaded from the getbootstrap.com. You can see its extension is zip, means you have to extract it. So in case if you don't know anything about the zip file, you need a software to extract the zip files, and WinRAR is one of the best software to extract the zip file. You can download the WinRAR from the internet, or if you already have it, then just right click on your get bootstrap file and click on extract here or extract files. Now here you can see this folder, click on it. Now here you can see there will be 3 folders. The first folder will be for CSS, the second one will be for the fonts of Bootstrap, and third one will be for the JavaScript files of the Bootstrap. Now first of all, I'm going to open this CSS folder, in which you can see we have many files, and the files that we need is the bootstrap.min.css. So I'm going to delete all the rest of the files. Now this one is our only concern in the CSS folder of Bootstrap. Now in the fonts folder, you don't have to delete anything, just move back and move to JS folder. Now in the JS folder, you can see we got 3 files, bootstrap.js, bootstrap.min.js, and npm.js. Now this one, bootstrap.js, is the complete version of JavaScript file of Bootstrap, and this one is the minified version. We just need this minified version, so I'm gonna delete this npm.js and the bootstrap.js from here. And now we just have bootstrap.min.js files in our JS folder of Bootstrap, and in our CSS folder we just got bootstrap.min.css file. Now let's connect this Bootstrap file with our HTML file. So I'm gonna create here a new file, and I'm gonna call this file to be testbt, means test bootstrap.html, and inside this file I'm gonna open it in my editor Komodo. So here is this file of testbt.html. we don't have anything, so I'm just gonna paste the simple HTML here. I just got the doc type, starting of HTML tag, and the ending, and the body, head, and title. So I'm gonna call this one checking Bootstrap. And inside the body section, first of all, I'm just going to add here one h1 heading, and I'm gonna call some text inside this h1 heading, hello world. So saving this one out, if I open this file of testbt.html in my Chrome, you can see just the simple file of HTML. We don't have any Bootstrap connected with this hello world testbt.html file. So now I'm going to connect the Bootstrap files with this one, with this file of testbt.html. So first of all, connecting the CSS file, and the CSS file will be our style sheet, and that file is in the folder of CSS. You can see we got this folder of CSS right here. Inside we got this bootstrap.min.css file. So inside CSS folder we got this file of bootstrap.min.css file. So we have connected this CSS file. Now I'm going to connect our JS file that is inside JS folder, and its name is bootstrap.min.js. So first of all, adding the script tag and giving the path to be inside JS folder, we got this file of bootstrap.min.js and then the ending of our script. Now this was all. Now saving this one out, if I open this same page of testbt.html again, now you can see it's little bit change as compared to this one. This one was just the straight heading, and this one looks nicer just because of attaching the bootstrap with this file of testbt.html. So you have to make sure you don't have any error. So for checking any error, you have to open your developer tools in Chrome, or you can just simply inspect the element to get the developer tool. Now in the console panel, you can see we got this uncaught error, bootstrap JavaScript requires jQuery. It means that this file of bootstrap.min.js also require the jQuery file, which Bootstrap doesn't offer by default. So we have to download the jQuery file by ourselves from the website of jQuery. I have opened this website jQuery.com. You can see download jQuery button right here, so click on it. Now here you can see couple of options: download the compressed production jQuery, download the uncompressed. Well, there is a difference between compressed form and uncompressed, minified and unminified form, and that is in the minified version the file has code other than non-essential things like spaces and the comments. So as we are not going to modify our jQuery file, so I will recommend you to download the compressed version of jQuery 3.2.1 or the latest version. So it's downloading right here. I'm gonna open it. So here is this jQuery file. I'm gonna cut it from here and paste inside the JS folder of our bootstrap folder. So here I'm going to paste it. You can see its name jQuery-3.2.1.min.js. So now I'm going to connect this file with this file of testbt.html to encounter this error that we are having in our console panel. So let's add the jQuery file right after our CSS file. I'm gonna add here a script tag, and that file that we just downloaded is now inside the folder of JS right with the bootstrap.min.js right here. So I'm gonna give it the path, and the path will be inside JS folder. We got this file of jQuery-3.2.1.min.js and ending of our script tag. Now saving this one out. If I refresh my page, now you can see we don't have any error. So it means that we are good to go. We have connected our bootstrap with this file of testbt.html without any error. Now in the next lecture, I'm going to give you a quick intro about Bootstrap, what is Bootstrap, and why it's one of the best framework when it comes to design the front end quick and attractive. So see you in the next lecture.